What happens when humanity's boldest explorers finally accept they might be the last intelligent life in the universe? Jack McDevitt's Cauldron turns that chilling question into a white-knuckle voyage that will make you rethink our place among the stars. 1. The premise: a universe that has gone quiet. Cauldron drops us several centuries ahead, in an era when faster-than-light drives have opened vast reaches of space. Yet every expedition returns with the same eerie report: no aliens, no signals, only silence. The novel reunites us with Priscilla Hutchins, McDevitt's beloved starship captain, who is coaxed out of retirement for one last gamble. A billionaire visionary named Terence Christopher funds a mission toward a region known as the Omega Cloud, a mysterious annihilating force that has erased entire civilizations. Their goal is audacious: study the cloud up close and finally solve why the galaxy seems empty. McDevitt plants this mystery early and lets it simmer, giving readers a palpable sense of cosmic loneliness that instantly raises the stakes. If you love science fiction that starts with a provocative "what if?" and layers tension, page by page, Cauldron hooks you from chapter 1. 2. Characters and conflict. Hutch's crew faces the abyss. While the macro-scale puzzle looms, the heartbeat of the story is the crew dynamic aboard the starship Winkleman. Hutch remains the pragmatic, quietly charismatic anchor, but she's surrounded by fresh faces: a mathematician obsessed with chaos theory, a historian convinced the past holds clues to survival, a pilot with more bravado than caution, and a journalist desperate for the scoop of the millennium. Their clashing motives create constant friction, fuel for McDevitt's trademark slow burn suspense. Mid-voyage, an unanticipated engine failure strands them light years from any outpost, forcing hard decisions about rationing, risk, and even mutiny. These claustrophobic chapters deliver both psychological depth and nail-biting tension. The result is that by the time the crew reaches the Omega Cloud, we're emotionally invested in each character's fate, making the final confrontations hit twice as hard. 3. Themes: existential dread meets human resilience beyond plot mechanics. Cauldron wrestles with questions that stick with you long after the last page. Can a civilization thrive without external contact, or does the absence of the other slowly erode ambition and curiosity? The Omega Cloud becomes a metaphor for the unknown threats any pioneering society must face: climatic collapse, artificial intelligence run amok, or even our own self-destructive impulses. McDevitt also tackles the ethics of exploration. Is it heroic or reckless to plunge toward a phenomenon that has already obliterated worlds? Through Hutch's reflections, we witness the birth of a new spacefaring ethos, one that balances wonder with responsibility. This thematic richness sets Cauldron apart from more action-driven space operas, inviting philosophical debate as intense as its plot twists. 4. Verdict: Why Cauldron Still Matters in 2023. Written in 2007 but aging remarkably well, Cauldron feels eerily prescient in an age of renewed interest in interstellar travel and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. McDevitt's clean journalistic prose keeps technical explanations accessible, yet he never underestimates the reader's intelligence, perfect for fans of Arthur C. Clarke or Mary Robinette Kowal. Pacing can feel leisurely in the first third, so action-hungry readers should be prepared for a simmer before the inevitable boil. However, the payoff, a jaw-dropping revelation about the Omega Cloud and a finale that merges cosmic awe with deeply personal sacrifice, justifies every earlier breadcrumb. Bottom line, if you crave science fiction that combines big-picture speculation with relatable human drama, Cauldron deserves a prime spot on your shelf or e-reader. Hit like if you've ever stared at the night sky and wondered who or what is staring back. Share your favorite deep space mystery in the comments and subscribe for more book reviews that explore the frontier between imagination and infinity.